Hey guys, welcome back. We're on it again today, and guess where we are? We're in the capital, well, the old capital that is, and we're of course in Elton because now we're going to deliver a package to this wonderful customer that has been so consistent every week. But before we get to our doorstep, I want to give you a little bit of information about our Dollar Day promotion. Now, our Dollar Day promotion allows you, or premium, or should I say yes, or platinum customers to ship any envelope, plastic or paper, any envelope, plastic or paper between April 28th and March and May 3rd. Forgive me, April 28th and May 3rd for $1. Shipping $1. Can you imagine that? $1. No, it doesn't have to be from the post office. It can be from your regular outlet like Fashion Nova, Shein, Forever 21, you name it, where you normally shop. As long as the package comes, as long as your item comes in an envelope, plastic or paper, between April 28th, March 3rd, you're in it. You're in it. So I'm going to do this delivery now. So come, follow me.